Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful lesson inspired by Warren Buffett. What to do if you're 60 broke and trying to turn things around. Now, this isn't theory, it's a pragmatic recovery and growth plan that uses experience, discipline and smart choices to rebuild stability and even create financial independence later in life. As step one, face reality with discipline. At 60, the clock feels like it's ticking, but here's the truth. You still have decades ahead of you. The first step is to create a full financial inventory, all your assets, debts, income and expenses, separate needs from wants. Live below your means and put every available dollar toward fixing the foundation. Priority #1, pay off high-interest debt. Credit cards with 18% interest are wealth destroyers. Paying them off is like earning an automatic, risk-free 18% return. Priority #2, build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, so you don't fall back into debt when life happens. Step 2, invest with simplicity and patience. Buffett always says investing is about discipline, not magic. Stick with low-cost index funds. Forget get-rich-quick schemes, complicated hedge funds, or speculation. Buffett's own 10-year bet proved that the S&P 500 index fund beat the pros by a wide margin. Remember his Ted Williams analogy? Wait for your fat pitches. Don't swing at every opportunity. Swing only when the odds are stacked in your favor. Step 3, rebuild your income stream. At 60, your greatest asset is experience. Cognitive speed may decline, but judgment and wisdom compound. Use them. Invest in yourself first. Upskill in 1 or 2 marketable areas. Reframe your role from employee to consultant or freelancer. Monetize your decades of expertise through part-time work, small businesses, or side hustles. Buffett often points to people like Mrs. B from Nebraska Furniture Mart or Colonel Sanders of KFC, both of whom built incredible legacies after 60. You're not too late. Step 4, rethink retirement. Traditional retirement is outdated. Instead, focus on financial independence, covering your needs with secure, sustainable income. That means expecting to work longer, but in meaningful, lower-stress roles. Designing a life that balances purpose, income, and well-being. And here's a tough love point. Don't undermine your own recovery by subsidizing financially capable adult children. Your financial health comes first. Step 5, make health part of your wealth strategy. Warren Buffett often says your body is your most valuable asset. At 60, proactive health management, exercise, diet, stress control directly preserves your earning capacity and reduces future medical costs. Think of good health as an investment with compounding returns. Finally, the glue that holds all of this together: patience, urgency, and discipline. Avoid panic and speculation. Save at least 20% of your income once debt is gone. Stick to your plan week after week, month after month. Remember, from age 60 to 90, you still have a 30-year horizon, long enough for compounding to change your future.